Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been aka Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, you're gonna learn price action trading, how to trade pullbacks in 2021. So let's go. Now, I'm gonna show you guys trades that I made this week, okay, using price action and trading pullbacks because I love pullbacks. 98% of my trades are pullbacks, so I want to show you guys how to trade pullbacks the right way so you can take your trading to the next level. So let's go. Okay, guys, so here is the first example right here. Now, before I get into the trade, guys, what is price action? Price action is very simple. It's when you only use price. You're not using no indicators. You're not using anything else. You're just using price, and you're looking for price to go to certain levels, and you're looking for that reaction. Now, there's nothing wrong with using indicators, but I tell people all the time, if you want to use indicators, it's best to study price action first because price action is king. And then if you want to add an indicator, then you could go ahead. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I mean right now. So we have support right here, support right here, support right here, support right here. Okay, so this is the US 30 right here. And I'm waiting for the market to open. I trade around 9:30. That's when the market opens. So this is right here. Now, while I'm waiting for the market to open, I'm noticing, okay, we have support right here. We went up. We broke this high, so everything is looking bullish. I'm looking for price to pull back to this demand level right here, okay? So let me mark down this demand level, and basically I'm looking for price to pull back to this demand level so I can take a trade. So let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Now, if you don't know what supply and demand is, basically you're looking for aggressive buying or aggressive selling, okay? So right here, we have aggressive buying right here. We pull back to the aggressive buying right here. And now we're looking for a trade. Notice how as soon as we pull back to this area, buyers came in. Nice rejection right here. Another rejection, another rejection, another rejection. That's 4 rejections, guys. That's telling me that it's a strong level and buyers are in the market because every time we are touching this demand level, okay, you see a nice rejection. So I saw this nice rejection right here, this nice pin bar. So I got in for a trade right here, okay, and I got out right here. So that was a nice trade for me. It was very simple, straight to the point. You could tell that we had nice support right here. We created a new high. We had demand right here. I'm looking for that pullback, okay? And then I took that trade. So this is a good example of a pullback and how to trade pullback. So let me show you another example on how to trade a pullback. Okay, so here's another pullback example. So we have the market right here breaking out. This is actually 9:30. I'm waiting for the market to do something. It broke out, right? And I'm looking for a continuation because everything looks weak, right? Everything is trending down. I'm looking for a continuation. Notice how the market pulled back and it created this nice double top. So let me show you guys real quick. So we have a top right here, another top right here, okay? And when I saw this nice rejection right here, I got in the trade, right here, okay? And basically, I rolled this baby down to here, right? So it was a nice, clean trade, straight to the point, very simple. Guys, we don't have to make trading hard, okay? Some of you guys are trying to do too much and you're overthinking when it comes to trading, guys. Listen, let's keep it simple. If the market is not clear, do not take a trade, okay? Right? So that's another good example of how to trade a pullback. Let me show you guys another one. Okay, guys, so here is another example on how to trade pullbacks, okay? So what I see right here, guys, is basically the market reversing, okay? And we have support right here, support right here, support right here, okay? The market is bouncing off this support right here. And now we are creating higher highs and it's going up. So I'm waiting, again, waiting for the market to open. I like to trade when the market opens. And basically what I'm saying to myself is most likely I want to look for longs, okay? You have to plan ahead. You can't just say, wow, this looks good. Oh, you know what? I think I want to buy. No. When it comes to trading, guys, you can't think, you can't say, this looks good. No, you have to know, okay, I want to buy and have something to back that up. Okay, we have support right here. You tell, right? And then we bouncing off support and then we create new highs. That's a reason for me to say, okay, it's time to look for longs. It's no guessing. If you guys are trying to guess when it comes to trading, guess what? It's not going to work out. Okay, so I'm waiting. And when I'm trading, guys, I'm very patient and I'm like a lion. Okay, I'm waiting for that right opportunity to attack. I'm not trying to get in just because I want to look for a long. Okay, so what do we see here? The market's going up and we have a nice demand level right here. So let's mark that down right here, guys, right? We have aggressive buying. Look at all these green candles right here. So that's telling me that smart money is in the market, okay? Now we pull back to this demand area right here, guys, and I'm waiting, okay? Waiting. Next thing you know, I see this nice rejection. It came back up, okay? It broke the high of this candle. That's when I got in. I went long right here, and I got out right here, okay? It was a nice, simple trade. Again, I'm waiting. I'm being patient. I understand what's going on in the market, all right? I'm looking for that pullback, and I attack. I tell my students this all the time. Patience pays the bills, okay? Do not try to rush. Do not try to force anything. So this trade was very simple, straight to the point, pull back to that demand, and boom, I'm looking for that trade. And if you guys don't understand supply and demand, I do have a lot of videos on my channel about supply and demand, and also have an indicator to help new traders, okay? This indicator works really good when the market is trending up or trending down. So let me show you that real quick. Okay, so here's the indicator right here. It's showing you demand right here with the yellow candle, and also we have that D for demand. It came back to demand, and this is where I took my trade right here, right at that demand area right here, and basically that trade was a winner, okay? Now this indicator also helps you with long confirmations or short confirmations. So if you're new and you want some confirmation to go long, okay, you can press long right here. And notice how I show you long confirmations. Now, these confirmations are not for you to come in the market and trade all day. It's only good for when it's at a key level. So notice how the market pulled back to this demand right here. It shows you a nice long right here. You could have got in the same trade I got in, and boom, nice little winner right here. Okay, so again, this is only for beginners, and you don't really need this, because once you understand how to read price action by itself, you don't need any indicators, okay? Now, the only reason why I like this indicator is because it's based on price action. But again, once you learn how to trade price action by itself, you don't really need this indicator. So let's go to the next example. Okay, so here's the next pullback example right here, guys. This is gold right here. And I thought the market was going to reverse, okay? You can see how we had this nice breakout right here, okay? I was looking for a pullback and a continuation. So I thought the market was going to basically, pull back, right, and continue to make new highs, right? But that wasn't the case. So I actually took this pullback right here, and I got stopped out. So that was a loser right there, okay? Now, when I took that loss, I realized, you know what? We have resistance right here, and the market is having trouble around this resistance. Now it's probably not a good time to look for longs. Let me see if I can look for another trade. So me personally, I saw we had a nice aggressive selling, okay? Now, the reason why I like this example right here is because most traders, when they get stopped out or when they have the loser, they freeze up or they get pissed off or they revenge trade, right? And they don't understand that's just part of the game, okay? You're going to have a couple losers here and there, okay? As long as your winners are bigger than your losers, you're always going to win, okay? So I'm not getting mad. I got stopped out. It is what it is. Again, I'm a lion, guys, when I'm trading. So I'm stalking the market. I'm looking for that great opportunity. So I do see opportunity right here. Notice how we have this nice rejection off of this resistance level right here, and we slam down, okay? So this gives me nice supply. So price came back to this supply area right here. When price came back to that supply area right here, guys, okay, I got in, okay, right away. I got in with a limit order, okay? And basically, I said to myself, okay, this looks like a trap, and most likely they're going to try to break the lows, okay? And I went for that low of the day, and boom, sure enough, it was a nice trade, straight to the point. It pulled back to this nice supply area right here. I got in with a limit order, and I rode this baby all the way to the low, and boom, I got out with a nice profit. And guess what? Remember, I had this loser right here? With this trade alone, I wiped out that loser, plus I had money left over. Okay, so guys, that's why it's very good for you guys to not care about your losers. Stop. Okay, you have to learn how to read price action. And once you learn how to read price action, trust me, your confidence will grow, and you will get used to trading, and you will start to see your trading account grow more and more and more. Okay, so let me show you guys another pullback example. Okay, guys, so here is another pullback example. This is gold again. Notice how we have a nice pop to the upside. Now, let me show you guys what I saw. So I saw that we had resistance right here, right? Resistance right here. And I also saw that the market, right, broke that resistance, right? Now, it broke this resistance right here. And if you know anything about price action, you know that a lot of times resistance will turn into what? Support, okay? So notice how this resistance right here turned into support. So we bouncing off that support. Now, what do I see? I see a nice triple bottom, okay? Bounce off the support 1, 2, right, and 3. So me personally, I was looking at this market, and I came around this time right here. I saw this nice bullish bar right here. We breaking up to the upside. I got in, and I'm looking for the market to basically do its thing. Now, while I was in this trade, guys, I realized this was a nice triangle, okay? So if we broke out of this triangle, most likely we're going to have a nice pop to the upside. I got out right here, and it was a nice winner for that day, okay? So this is another good example of showing you how to trade pullbacks. We had a nice resistance level turn into support, nice triple bottom right here, got in. Also, we had this nice triangle break to the upside, and I went long, and I got a nice winner, okay? So this is a nice, good, high quality trade. I'm showing you guys how to trade the right way and how to become a better trader, because that's what this channel is all about, guys. I want all the struggling traders that's watching this video right now to take your trading to the next level, right? So let me show you guys one more example, and we're gonna wrap this up. Okay, guys, so here's the last pullback example for you guys. Okay, so I'm noticing, okay, we have support right here. The market bounced off that support, created a nice demand level right here. I'm looking for the market to pull back to that demand level so I can take a trade, right? So pull back to that demand level right here. This trade right here is a limit order trade, meaning that as soon as it went to that demand level, I didn't wait for no confirmation. Some trades I do that, some trades I don't. But this trade was a nice limit order right here, guys. Got in. And me personally, I was only looking for this high right here because, you know, for the most part, the market was trending down. So I'm only looking for this quick pop to the upside, right? I'm not looking for, you know, a big winner. So looking for that nice quick upside right here, and boom, I was done. So that's a good example of a pullback trade, showing you guys how to trade pullbacks in 2021. I hope you guys got some great value out of this video. If so, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you join my free Telegram group, because I post charts there, and I also post exclusive discounts for my trading program, okay? And if you want to learn how to do this and you want deeper training, me showing you step by step how I'm able to do this full time, okay? Make sure you get that training course, because that will take your trading to the next level. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching my video. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below, because I'll try to answer all your guys' questions, right? Talk to you guys later, and please have a great day.